This one's for the bread lovers out there. How to make sourdough bread using Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. Add your sourdough starter and 680 grams of water into the bowl. Set your mixer to 100 RPM and mix for 1 to 2 minutes or until the water has changed color. Add all of your semolina and bread flour and set the speed to 150 RPM. Mix it for 2 minutes. Add 60 grams of water through the pouring spout and mix for a further 4 minutes at 150 RPM. Add 25 grams of salt and continue to mix for 1 minute at 150 RPM. Pour in the remaining 30 grams of water and mix for 2 minutes at the same speed. Now increase the speed to 210 RPM and add the remaining water, around 30 grams. Mix for 3 minutes. Halo Pro auto stops when the timer ends. Turn off your mixer and remove the dough onto a clean, smooth surface. Lightly oil the dough, cover it with cling film, and let it rest for 20 minutes. After the resting time, stretch and fold the dough and move it into an airtight container. Leave the dough at room temperature for 4 to 6 hours. Then store it overnight in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius. That's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Following the resting time, take the dough out from the fridge and transfer it from the container onto a clean surface. And let it rest for 30 minutes uncovered to make it come back to room temperature. After the resting time, use the Ooni dough tools to divide dough into 4 dough balls of approximately 540 grams each. Shape the dough into a ball and transfer into 4 individual boule or batard baskets. Leave to proof for another 3 to 4 hours or until they double in size. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour the top of your dough. Score your dough to allow it to expand when baking. And gently place it into a peel, baking tray, or Dutch oven. Launch into the oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You might need a small turn or to flip your bread for an even bake. Retrieve that delicious bread, slice, serve, and enjoy.